Yo guys, what's up? I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to a new video. Today I am joined with Eric.
Hi.
And I'm going to be doing his makeup today.
I'm not gay. I'm straight, I promise you. I'm just bored. Okay.
Okay, so I got all my beauty stuff here.
Did you just do the wall? Oh no. No.
So now we will be applying some moisturizer.
Time to get saucy.
Oh my god. Okay, so your face.
I look so bad.
Don't do that.
What? This?
Ooh, okay.
Just brutally smacking me with moisturizer. Really? You just don't want to touch my face, so you're just gonna put it on.
It's easier. Oh, that's too much.
I'm gonna turn into a ghost from all this moisturizer you're putting on me. I don't ever moisturize either, so I look a really dry face.
You are going to be GG gorgeous. Oh, look at that. You're glowing.
No. No, I feel like I'm so...
You are glowing.
I honestly don't care, but okay.
Pure glow. Okay.
No.
Okay. Next step is foundation.
I hope that's not too dark. Like,
It is fair ivory.
that is not my color. I'm like ghost white, dude. Oh god. I'm gonna be looking like one of those like Mexican like chimichanga people.
Okay.
It's not my color. I told you.
Turn your head.
Okay.
Ooh, it is not going into your skin. When did this expire?
Like 3 years ago, probably.
18 months since from opening it.
So I was like almost right.
Yeah.
Yay!
It's not going into your
I'm
skin,
going.
and that knows why.
Cool.
I never use foundation.
You have a thing of peanut butter that's like full of rice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't you?
No, I have just a regular container.
Well, pantry moths got into our rice.
Pantry moths, those are a thing.
Yeah. They're super annoying. And then they lay eggs in your food, and you can't eat it.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah.
Is that how you get parasites?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What's that?
This is called concealer.
Okay. What does that do? Ow!
It conceals all your imperfections. So we're going to put it across your whole face. No.
So, I mean, like, I am an imperfection. What are you talking about? Oh, oh. It's like weird. It feels so weird.
What is that face?
I don't know. It just feels so weird.
Okay.
Oh.
Keep your mouth closed.
Ouch.
You're getting concealer in your
Okay,
eyelashes.
sorry. This is so weird.
Calm yourself.
Okay. Oh.
Close your eye. Close your eye.
It
Okay.
hurts my eye so much.
Well, that's because you have your eyes open.
Okay.
Wait, oh my gosh, wait. I should do drag makeup on you.
No, please. It's like the opposite at once. Not bad, actually.
We'll do eyes.
Never. No.
We're gonna do like this.
Okay, I was gonna say nothing like.
Okay. So I did not. Oh, good. I did bring my favorite brush.
I'm actually concerned now.
Right now, I'm using the Ulta Beauty TM eyeshadow brush,
Yay.
and I'm going in with the palette Melissa Michelle Bring On the Glam in color Robots Man. Oh, Rotor Man.
Robot.
Close your eyeballs.
My eyeballs. What about my eyelids? I can't close my eyeballs. That's weird.
Okay, close your eyelids.
Okay.
You have such tiny eyelids.
I have such tiny everything. Wait, that's not sound right.
Stop squeezing your eyelids. Okay. And now we're going to go in with the Ulta Beauty crease brush and color Boo Bears.
Kill me.
And we're gonna go in your crease, which is your whole entire eye.
That feels funky, dude.
I personally like the feeling of putting eyeshadow in my crease. But that might just be a me thing.
I'm blaming this on you.
Okay, that's where James Charles lives. Oh, wait, okay.
Uh-oh. The ooh noise is not good. Dude, your pupils are huge. Holy crap. My pupils are like really small.
Okay. And now we're gonna go in with color Dude.
Dude. It's like my word.
Okay, close your eyes. Just gonna pack this on a little bit.
Pac-Man.
And then I'm just gonna go back in with a bit of Rotor Man.
My eyelids feel really heavy.
There's like nothing on your eye. Don't squeegee your eyes.
Okay, God. My eyelids feel super heavy now. Oh my God.
I haven't even put fake lashes on you yet. No, I don't have fake
No.
lashes.
Oh no.
Opened your eye.
Oh, okay. I'll be fine.
Close your eye. There we go. Okay. Like it won't stick like right here. Oh shoot, I didn't brush off the fallout for.
Oh no. Oh no.
Fixing it. Fixing.
It feels liquidy.
No dip, it's liquid eyeshadow.
Whoa. That sounds fancy. Sounds like it's from the future.
Okay, that's what we're going with.
Oh no.
Okay. So,
Oh no.
next step.
Oh no.
Okay,
Oh no.
so I'm gonna like,
Huh?
I'm gonna like press your eye like that.
You're gonna squeeze my eye? You're gonna squeeze my eye?
No, just your eyelid to like make it like taut.
Taut? You're gonna teach my eye? You're gonna squeeze my eye while I'm teaching it? What?
No, like,
These words are so confusing.
okay, just close your eye.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Because it makes it wet again, and then you can just wipe it off.
Wet.
I swear, you're gonna get me demonetized. My first ever demonetized video. Welcome, guys.
Yeah.
They're sisters.
I'm a guy. What the heck? Gucci.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in
Something I can't afford.
with
This powder?
its contour.
I don't know what that means.
It like chisels you. What makes it look like you have chiselness? I'm gonna give you a jaw.
I have a jaw. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Okay, so like go like that.
Nah.
Yeah. This color might be a little too light for you. But I know I'm not giving you sparkly. Okay, who made sparkly contour? Like, why is that a thing?
People
Why
who-
do you need that? Go like that.
Yeah. People who, I don't know, actually. That sounds pretty terrible.
Okay.
Gucci.
So then I'm just gonna... I'm gonna carve out your nose. It's not blending. Crap, I think I might have put blush fallout on your nose. Let me look. No, it's not. Okay. Just kidding, it kind of is.
These words. I feel like you're gonna I feel like you're purposely trying to mess me up.
No. Like, I'm not trying my absolute hardest, but like...
I feel like you're just like, oh yeah, I don't really care. Let's just, try to make it worse as possible.
Well, I'm trying a little bit. Okay. And now we're going to go in. Which highlighter looks best to you?
Nothing girly. I don't know.
Okay, we'll go a nice
I don't know how to make choices, dude.
shimmery gold. You like gold, right?
Sure. Let's just go with that. You know what? I don't know. What are you peeling off? Is that?
It's makeup.
Yay.
Oh, you're a snatch sister.
Oh
my gosh, wait, why am I doing that?
You're gonna be the death of my face, dude. I look like I just came out of like an emo war zone.
Okay. I'm gonna need you not to move one single bit.
It's right on. I have to itch so bad. It's on my face. Oh god.
You can't touch your face, otherwise it's gonna wipe your makeup off.
It's like right next to the left side of my eyebrow. It's like right here. There we go.
Oh my gosh, wait, I forgot to put contour somewhere.
These eyebrows are a no. That's
That's your natural eyebrow shape.
That is?
Yeah.
Oh god, I'm ugly.
Now, I hope you don't have a metal allergy.
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. Because, like, I do, so I can't use this lip gloss on myself. Because it makes my lips, like, super puffy.
I have small lips.
Yeah, you do. I have kind of big lips. I don't like it.
Trust me, guys like it. At least.
Oh my gosh, when I smile, like, my upper lip looks so weird. Like, it just spreads. Oh. Okay, but, like... No. Yeah, like that. Okay, now you can stop.
Okay. I tickles. I tickle so much.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to cry. Oh my god, dude. Alright, that's the final look.
It looks like a
I didn't get
two-year-old did
any
my
eyebrows.
makeup.
I put it like right above your eyebrows, so you should be Gucci.
Okay, I'm gonna go get makeup wipes.
Yay! So
That's
I look
it.
less of a girl and she looks like more of a girl and I look like more of a guy. I said that backwards. Yay! Alright, cool. Be excellent to each other, dudes.
Bye.
Blah.